Hi, and welcome to this video on Vibrant. In this video, we will cover how to set up Vibrant for the first time to use with your accounting package or as a standalone system. I initially subscribed for the Vibrant system by clicking the free trial on the Vibrant website, and when I subscribed, I received an email looking like this. You will also receive a similar email. You would have received an email already. Simply click this link to log into the Vibrant system. So I'm going to input my email ID. And then I'm going to put in my password. You'll see a screen similar to this. Vibrant tells you that the profile is 0% complete, and therefore you'll have to go and enter and configure Vibrant to your requirements. So what you need to do is follow all these four prompts, four bullet points. Go to each one of these and then configure Vibrant to your requirements. I have signed up for a trial using Xero as the accounting package. In your case, you may be using MYOB or QuickBooks Online or as a standalone application. If it's a standalone application, the first bullet point will say set up customers, contacts, items, etc. Just follow that link. The other links are exactly the same. Simply click connect to Xero in this case, and I will click connect to Xero. And Vibrant behind the scenes will log into your Xero accounting package. If you are prompted for your Xero login details, enter them, and you will get a screen like this. You simply specify allow access. Vibrant establishes a link with your Xero accounting package, and then you'll come back with the details saying that we are connected with the company, and it will have your company name on it. Then we can simply click load Xero data. Initially, please click select all, and Vibrant will bring in all your items, your general ledger accounts, your contacts, customers, suppliers, your tax codes, and then if you use tracking categories in Xero, they'll come through. Jobs and classes refer to MYOB and QuickBooks Online respectively. Simply click load Xero data. The system will bring in all the relevant data from your Xero organization. See the item codes, your general ledger accounts, your contacts, your tax codes, your tracking category, and jobs and classes. Depending on the volume of data in your Xero, it may take a bit of time. And once it's brought in, you will see a message which we just saw. And now you can go and configure other things. Go to dashboard and transaction calendar, and system tells you it's now 25% complete. So I'm going to update our company information. The basic company details will be brought in my Xero login, and I can put in my other details. I can say 12 Smith Street in Sydney, New South Wales, Australia, and then 2000. And I'm going to select my business type as home staging property styling. Okay, now you can also use the Vibrant Payment Gateway, and if you have multiple warehouses where you maintain inventory at each location, then you can select this, and you can specify your phone number and other details. So I'll just put in 17123456, any mobile number, fax number, website, etc. And then if I have my company logo handy, I can select and upload it. I can simply click save it at this stage. Next, I go to dashboard and transaction calendar again, and it tells me I'm now 50% complete. I'm going to set up the company details. other relevant things that are required for my business. Vibrant will allow you to configure. I'm going to set my date format to day, month, year, and my currency setting is set to Australia. Or if you're in different region, you can set up your own country. Select your country from here. Or if your country is not listed in here, you can also create your own. Simply click add new, specify your country prefix, and then specify the symbol. You can use them that way. And I'm going to tick few things on here. I'll click show rental returns on calendar and show customer name on transaction calendar. We will cover these transaction custom fields and other things in another video, but at this stage I'm simply going to save these details. And the system will come back and tell you that's been saved successfully. And at this stage, it is advisable that you simply log off and log back in. Just go into your login once again. And the system tells me my profile is now 75% complete. I will set up my other rental periods and other things. So the first tab you see is accessories. Accessories are treated as consumables. So if you have different consumables that you send out, say for example air fresheners or candles or whatever, then you can include them. So you include candles, and I normally include 10 candles with my staging, and I give it a name, and then I save the details. Custom charges are these one-off charges that you may charge your customers, such as delivery, damage waiver, and other things. So for example, I have a delivery for which I um, assign it to this particular general ledger account or another account, and I can also specify the tax code that I may use, say for example GST on income, and I have a standard fee of say $150 that I charge for deliveries, and I'll simply save this at this stage. Okay, you can also configure other custom charges as you wish, such as damage waiver, pickups, commission, decommission, styling fee, staging fee, whatever it is that's relevant to you, you can configure it. And then you can specify the rental period. So in our case, we will be renting it out for on a daily basis and also as 4 weeks and 6 week packages. So I'm just going to add it in my daily as daily, and then a period is 1 and 1 day. That means 1 day. And I also have a 4 week package. Let's specify 4 weeks. In our case, it's going to be 28 days, and I'll select days, and I'll save this entry, and also I'm going to create a 6 week package. So I'm going to call it 6 weeks, which is 42 days, and that's saved as well. Okay, so these things will be covered in another video, but at this stage for our basic configuration, these are the 4 steps that you need to follow within the Vibrant system. Once you have configured all those 4 steps, those profile details are now complete, and you will no longer see them. This is the video that covers the basic setup of your Vibrant system. Thank you for watching.